Are you tired of costly repairs and unexpected breakdowns with your motor grader? At InterstateHeavyEquipment.com, we understand the importance of proper maintenance to keep your motor grader running smoothly and efficiently. That's why we're here to share some valuable tips for basic preventive maintenance. When it comes to preventive maintenance for your motor grader, InterstateHeavyEquipment.com is your go-to resource. Our team of experts is dedicated to providing you with the knowledge and tools you need to keep your motor grader in top-notch condition. Visit InterstateHeavyEquipment.com today for more preventive maintenance tips and a wide range of resources for construction equipment owners like you. And if you have any questions or need assistance, give us a call at 469-370-7501.